So today's video is so exciting. I'm so freaking excited. I got this in the mail yesterday and I had no idea this was even happening. Like, what? What? This is so cool. Wet n Wild came out with a Pac-Man collection. They collabed with Pac-Man. Oh my god, look at it. Adorable, adorable. I can't. I know I'm not that old. I'm only 27. But when I was younger, my dad used to be obsessed with Pac-Man and he used to play Pac-Man all the time. And then I kind of created a love for Pac-Man. Ow. And every time I go to a place where they have Pac-Man, I play Pac-Man. I freaking love Pac-Man. I suck, but I play all the time. And so when I saw Wet n Wild collabed with Pac-Man on this entire collection, I got so excited. So I wanted to jump on camera and review it for you guys and show it to you. I haven't tried out anything. I honestly just got this yesterday. And I was reading up about the entire collection and this is actually available now. It starts going into stores in the beginning of July, it says, into like Ulta or wherever they sell Wet n Wild. So that is what we are doing today. We are gonna be trying out this entire collection on our face and I'm gonna give you my first impressions on it. So it comes with a blush palette, an eyeshadow palette, a lip scrub, a lip balm, 4 lip glosses, a highlighter and a bronzer, kind of. You also get 2 brushes, a face brush, an eye brush, and 5 nail polishes. Adorable, adorable. These brushes are the cutest brushes I've ever seen. Like, look at this. I love this. I love this whole collection. Well, I mean, I don't know if it's good, but I love how it looks. So yeah, just let's get started. Okay, so really quickly, I'm gonna apply my foundation, my concealer, my powder, and my bronzer. So as a primer, because this isn't a primer, but I'm gonna be using it as a primer, I'm going in with the 4th Ray Beauty Glow Up Face Oil. I just want a really dewy complexion. Look nice and moist. I know how much you guys love that word. You know that word does not bother me at all. Moist. I actually like saying it. Moist. Moist. I like it. Love is in the atmosphere. I feel it in the air. I'm in a good mood. I don't know why, but I'm not gonna question it. I actually really like that oil because it's not super thick or greasy. It feels really nice on the skin. For foundation, I'm gonna take my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I have a love-hate relationship with this, but I am gonna be mixing in a little bit of the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. This is super long wearing and I love this. I love this more than this, but I like the combo. You're so far away, right? I know, straight out of telenovela, right? That just reminded me of that. I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I haven't used this in so long and I am honestly running out of my Jouer concealer in the shade Creme Cafe. I have just a little bit left. I use that concealer so much, so I thought, you know what, let's just switch it up. And normally I would take this onto my eyelids, but I'm gonna use an eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna set that down with my flower powder from Beauty Bakerie. Okay, before I start on the eyes, I am gonna bronze the skin a bit with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Waka powder brush. Look at this! Isn't this the cutest brush ever? The fact that it's freaking green at the top, I can't. I know Pac-Man isn't 90s, it's like earlier than that, but this is giving me all the 90s vibes, all of them. All of the vibes, all of them. I am obsessed. I probably should wash this brush before I use it, but YOLO. This is like such a nice shape for bronzing. Oh my gosh, and you're so soft. I love you already. Hi, let me introduce you to my new favorite bronzer brush. Okay, I got a little bronzer happy. That's because I just wanted to keep using this brush. What can I say? What can I say? Okay, so let's get started on all this Wet n Wild goodness. I'm gonna prime my eyes using the Anastasia Eye Primer. so this is the eyeshadow palette. It's so freaking colorful and pretty. I've swatched a couple of these shades in the back of my hand and they seem promising. This is the Gameover color palette and this is what it looks like. By the way, this entire PAC-MAN collection is limited edition and I don't know how long it's gonna be around for, but these are the colors. It's mainly mattes. These are the only 2 shades that are shimmery. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I think I might attempt a cut crease. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just gonna point and apply so that this video isn't too long. You know the drill. But I'll give you my thoughts right after. Okay, so originally I had thought I was gonna do a cut crease, but now that I'm applying these to my eyes, I really like how it looks and I kind of love how they fade together, and I feel like adding concealer and doing like a whole cut crease would just take away so much of this color, and I am loving it right now. Let me tell you how impressed I am with these eyeshadows. Are you guys seeing this? Honestly, this is like the same pink that's in the Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia. Like, so pigmented. I'm shocked. I mean, I'm not shocked, but I mean, yeah, I'm shocked. These are so pigmented and so easy to blend. I'm just gonna go back and forth with these 3 shades and make sure that everything is nice and seamless. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of the NYX glitter primer and I'm gonna tap that right in the center because I'm gonna create a little bit of a halo effect with the shimmery white that's in the palette. Well, it's not like a white, but it's a very, well, kind of. Just gonna tap my finger into this. I don't wanna pick up too much. I don't know why I decided to do my freaking face first. Like, am I a rookie? Do I not know myself? Am I crazy? Okay, I think that looks a little weird. I'm gonna add more of the glitter towards the inner corners because I think that's what makes it look weird. It's just like a blob right there. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow brush. Helps a bit. I kind of like it. I think it'll all come together in the end. You'll see, you'll see. Okay, I am very upset at how much glitter is on my face, but I should have known. This is a very crumbly, glittery eyeshadow. I should have known. You can totally avoid all of this by just doing your eyes first. But I'm not gonna let that ruin my mood. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the eyes. I just need to add my liquid liner, my eyeliner, and my falsies. But I am so impressed with this palette. Oh my god, I used every single shade except two of them, these two. This is so incredibly good. Like, wow. If you've been looking for a rainbow palette, but you don't want to spend a lot of money on one, really quickly, I'm going to apply some eyeliner. I'm going to use my Swerve eyeliner from Colourpop. Then I'm going to use my roller liner from Benefit in black. And then I'm going to pop on my Kiss lashes in the style Camelias. Okay, I had a situation where I messed up my eyeliner here and I had to remove some of the eyeshadow, and so I had to do my eyeliner all over again, and I did it off camera, but anyway, I just added a wing. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lash Discovery Mascara on my top and bottom lashes before I go in with these, by the way. Okay, we are completely done with the eyes. I really love how they turned out. I know I just recently did a similar look with the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette, but like what other kind of look am I supposed to do with this? Maybe I should have done my cut crease. I should have, but I really love how this look turned out. This palette is only $9.99. I'm looking at my little thing here. It's super affordable and it is really good. I highly recommend it. And now we can move on to the face. For blush, I'm gonna go into this guy. This is the High Score blush palette, and it's so funny, it has a bunch of fruits on it, and when I first got this in the mail, I thought this was scented, and I got really excited, but it's not scented. It smells like regular powders, so. You get 4 different blushes in this palette, and the only thing that concerns me is no one else besides like medium to light skin tones can wear this blush palette. I wish they would have done like 2 blush palettes and had a deeper one, because this to me would only work on like not that many skin tones. So, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to use these two. Yeah, these two down here. Okay, I mean, that looks all right. I'm actually gonna take a little bit more of this shade. This one is very shimmery, which I like, but I wanna take the more matte one because it's a little bit warmer and not as pink. And I'm gonna apply some more of that because we have a lot going on the eyes. So far so good. I think it's pretty. It's very pigmented. It applies really nicely. It blends well. It is $9.99 for this guy. They are a little bit dusty and a little bit powdery, but it looks really pretty on the cheeks. So for highlight, they have these guys right here. Well, one of them is a bronzer and one of them is a highlight, but the bronzer just seemed too shimmery and too light for me, so that's why I used the butter bronzer. But these are the Power Pellets, and one is a blush lighter and the other is a bronzer, and it's really interesting. It comes in these little balls. I've seen this before. I think Physicians Formula used to do something like this, like back in the day, and I feel like it was really popular on YouTube. Like, I'm talking 2010. How many of you guys have been watching like beauty videos on YouTube since 2010? Because I have. So that is what this looks like. I feel like there are not that many balls. This is the blush lighter, and then this one's the bronzer. It comes with this little stopper here. Doesn't this look like the Reese's Pieces cereal? You know what I'm talking about? This looks identical to that. Like, I just want to throw this in a bowl of milk. I eat it. Let's see how we do this, because this is really weird to me. I gotta be honest. I don't know how often I'm gonna use these. I don't like these little things. It's just like weird. But I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this. This one's from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna dip it into the bronzer. And I'm gonna lightly go over my bronzer. Oh, okay, yeah, I totally see it making it glowier, for sure. Oh, for sure. It's a lot more pigmented than I thought it was, wow. Okay, oh my gosh, this is pigmented, wow. Maybe I should have swatched it before. That's pigmented. And it's very shimmery, which I'm okay with. I feel like maybe I should have put less bronzer then. Now I feel like I have too much. By the way, these retail for $6.99. I'm gonna take the blush lighter and I'm gonna use this brush from Fenty Beauty. Let me swatch this. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be a little pigmented. So I'm only gonna do a little kiss at the top of my cheeks. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. Oh my god, it is like a really pretty blush lighter. Oh, I like that. Such a pretty glow. I don't even need a highlighter. I feel like I have a lot of color on my face right now, but that's okay. I'm feeling it. So they also, oh my god, my pant got stuck on this chair. They also came out with these bonus fruit lip balms. Oh no, bonus fruit lip balm and bonus fruit lip scrub. I love the little name of that. Adorable. Are you joking me? This is precious. Is any other 27-year-old getting this excited about this? I need lip scrub because my lips are chappity chap today. It really does taste like green apple. Just gonna rub that off. Wow, look at my smooth, kissable lips. I just wanna taste, well, try the lip balm because it's cherry and I freaking love cherry. So I just wanna like taste it before I show you guys lip swatches on all the lip glosses. Adorbs. I need to do my nails. They look crazy. Oh my gosh. This is childhood cherry if I've ever smelled it. Oh man. Oh my god, this is like an old school classic cherry scent. I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't feel like a super high-end Sephora lip balm, but it smells good. And I'm sure it gets the job done. Okay, the bonus fruits, they are both $4.99 each. I don't know if they're worth $4.99. I know that seems really cheap, but I feel like Aquaphor is cheaper. Alrighty, the collection comes with 4 glosses, and these are the Ghost Gloss Brilliant glosses. Ghost Gloss. Ghost Gloss. How cute is that? Look at that little ghost. So cute. Okay, this is the shade Clyde. It's like a peachy orange with a little bit of shimmer. The Wet n Wild glosses are nothing like out of this world. This one is called Pinky. Oh, that's the name of one of my nail polishes. Ooh, this one's more pigmented. This one is called Inky. I thought for a second I read Kinky and I was like, whoa, what a while. But Inky. It's pretty patchy and sheer and it looks a little strange. I personally would put a blue lipstick or a blue lip liner underneath this if you are looking into this color because I think it is really cool. I just think it's a little bit sheer and needs something underneath. And then last but not least, we have Blinky. If you guys are wondering, each gloss is $5.99 and the nail polishes in the collection, it's a whole nail kit and it's $9.99. A freaking steal, if you ask me. A freaking steal. Okay guys, so that completes this video. For my lip, I just added my Pat McGrath Undone lip liner and then I added a little bit of the Clyde gloss on top. And this is much more my vibe. But anyway guys, that's it. Oh my gosh, I really liked this collection. The only thing that I was like, about is this palette, and the glosses aren't like knocking my socks off, but the eyeshadow palette, the brushes, even these weird balls, I was really impressed. I really like this collection a lot. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you feel about this collection. Anyway guys, that completes this video. I had so much fun trying this out with you guys. Thank you for being here with me today. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Don't be afraid, Cecilia, I'm the satellite. Moist.